Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Kelly. We're here at Cloud Foundry Summit 2018. My guest is Yuri Litvinovich. He's a senior cloud engineer at Scotiabank. Yuri, welcome to the show.
Hi Jeff, good to see you.
So Yuri, what was the catalyst for digital transformation at Scotiabank?
That's a great question, Jeff, and I can say that the catalyst was the desire to enable development teams across the bank to build transformative banking solutions for our customers. And we have a platform that is doing that, and it's called Plato. So Plato is an integrated set of technical products that encapsulate critical enterprise capabilities, automated processes to enable standardization, reuse, and also automation. It has a reusable transaction and data API, and it also automates security, compliance, on a one common cloud platform. Pretty much Plato enables application developers to build awesome customer experience without needing to understand the details of our core banking platforms. It also enables core platform evolution without disrupting application development.
So let's talk a little bit more about the developer productivity angle. So Pivotal Cloud Foundry is one of the foundational technologies that makes up your platform called Plato. Talk about how Pivotal Cloud Foundry, Plato, enable those developers to focus on just most of their time anyway, on building great code and great applications versus dealing with some of the underlying infrastructure headaches that developers so often get hung up with.
Right. So the cloud-native platforms like Pivotal Cloud Foundry and the automation built around it really help developers to focus on achieving their business goals without needing to know all the operation stuff. So we provide them technology so that they trust, so that they can focus on providing better and faster outcome for their business. We provide efficient and reliable way to use our platform. We provide all the tooling around it, and it just helps to deliver better application, better code that eventually results in better customer experience for all of our customers, both internal and external.
Right. So let's take the flip side of that, which is the operations experience. What's your approach to operating the platform, managing its scale, and finding those efficiencies so that you don't need an army of operations pros to manage this platform where you've got quite a few developers building applications on it?
Right. Another good question, and Jeff, the key to operate such a large-scale platforms as PCF is automation. And in our case, we have automation built in using concourse pipelines set in place. We have pipelines for many different aspects. We have pipelines for installs, we have pipelines for upgrades. We also do backups with the pipelines. And all that tooling set in place helps our engineers to spend their precious time on solving interesting engineering challenges versus going through the repetitive tasks that don't bring lots of results and lots of, let's say, gain. Right. So we just eliminate toil by implementing automation, and so far it's a great experience.
Right, so the idea is to automate those repetitive tasks so you're not doing them over and over, and you can focus your time on the higher value tasks.
Right.
Makes a lot of sense. You know, Scotiabank's been around for a while, I think over 185 years, so I suspect you have some legacy systems and legacy IT environment that you're working with. And of course, those applications and systems are helping run the bank, so they're very important. Right. How does your platform Plato and Pivotal Cloud Foundry integrate with some of the existing infrastructure that you've already got? How do you make that work in a seamless way?
It fits great. We have PCF running together and using many existing banks' services and systems, such as databases, DNS servers, networking infrastructure. While being that integrated, it still brings high velocity, agility, it promotes innovation and building code in more agile way. Our platform is about trust, so developers, they trust us to bring all these good things while we take care of all the operational stuff for them.
So as we wrap up, looking ahead to the next, say, 6-12 months, what are some of the things on your agenda? What do you hope to accomplish? You know, could be things like getting more developers on the platform, expanding to different regions. What's high on your agenda?
That's a good question, and definitely we are growing. We're expanding our platform, and first we onboard more applications to our platform. We plan to deploy more PCF foundations, and we also plan to add more features so that developers will be even more comfortable and even more flexible with how they use our platform, and eventually that would benefit to our customers, internal and external, to give them better customer experience and to build more trust towards what we do and how we transform the banking.
Well, fantastic. Well, Yuri, thanks for taking the time today. I appreciate it. I know it's a busy conference, so I'll let you get back to it, but thanks for taking the time.
Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate you having me here.
Absolutely.